Hello, today I am going to give you a tutorial about IT site visits. Once you got activity confirmation, then you need to plan your trip to visit the site. Before that, let me introduce about HWITS. HWITS is a company providing level 1, level 2 and level 3 sports along with site visits. They have many engineers in every country and they are providing on-site sports. And here is more details. If you want to go through HWITS, you can find more details and more about us and what services we are providing and how we are working. You can be a part of HWITS if you are interested. Okay, and all the work is freelance work, and also we are providing jobs and opportunities when you finish your graduation, masters or other degrees. Okay, let's go. If you are looking for a IT job, then this is the right platform for you. You can reach us and send us an email along with your resume, and our team will reach you very shortly, and then they will arrange a short meeting call with you, and then we will proceed further. Okay. There are few tools which we need to verify before the site visit. Okay, here are the list of tools which are very necessary, and we have to check before the site visit. Okay, the first tool is console cable. Console cable is used to give the console access of network devices like routers, switch, APs, firewalls, or these network devices. You can see two ends. One is RJ45 and the other is USB part. The USB part is connected with your USB port in the laptop, and the other end RJ45, this should be connected to the network devices. Okay, and then screwdrivers are used to unrack the devices from the rack. Okay, and this is very important also. And then the third one is labeling machine, and this is used for making labels for wires, and this sometimes when unintentionally someone removes the wire, so when we have labels we can insert the wire in the correct port. And then a good internet connection is very important with you, because you need to give console access to the remote team, so internet connection is a major part in this activity also. And then you should carry a laptop with a window based laptop. Okay, and it should contain a few softwares like PuTTY, AnyDesk, Microsoft Teams, WebEx, and these tools should be installed properly and they are working. Okay, now I am going to explain you how PuTTY is used. Okay, the software we have seen PuTTY, how it works, and let me show you PuTTY. Here we can download it from the website. Okay, and I have already downloaded. Here I can search PuTTY. Okay, here we go. Okay, on the top you need to select the serial. Okay, and then the COM port. Okay, how we check where we have connected our console cable? So let's type device manager. Okay, here we go, and then on the port section you can see here, look, Okay, I have connected console cable on the COM port. Okay, let me change it for you. Okay, okay, and before it was showing COM 4 and now it is showing COM 3. Okay, so here we need to insert COM3. Okay, and here speed is automatically 9600. Okay, if you want to check, you can check also from the device manager and click on properties, and then you can see. Okay, and then the other end, RJ45, it should be connected to the network devices, and then you will open. Okay, and you will see a black and white screen here, and if the other end is connected properly, then you can see lines working on this. Okay, and this is the working, how it works. Okay, the console cable and the putty software. Okay,